Hi guys, Excel Insider welcomes you back to the channel. Today in this episode I will show how you can extract numeric values from a text string or a sentence. For example, here I have mentioned so many text strings where I have numerical values within the sentences. And here I need to write a formula so that I can extract all the numerical values from the text strings in one go. For doing that we will use sequence function. Sequence function will give us an array of number of characters in the string. So equal to sequence, the number of rows will be equal to the length of the text. Close the bracket and press enter. Here you can see that Excel is giving me an array of 19 values. This is because the number of characters in my text string is 19. Now I need to extract the exact character in this particular place. For that we will use mid function. Go to edit mode, put mid ahead of sequence function. My text will be this, comma. My start number will be determined by the sequence function. Now put a comma here. My number of characters is 1. Close the bracket and press enter. Here you can see I am getting all the characters back from the text string. Now I need to identify whether the particular character is a number or not. For that I can simply multiply it by 1, and wherever there is no number I will get a value error. Now I need to remove the errors. For that I will use if error function. Go to the edit mode, put if error ahead of mid function, and if there is an error in this whole string, then give me blank. Close the bracket and press enter. Now in this array I am getting back only numerical values. To combine all the numerical values I will use text join function. So go to the edit mode, put text join function ahead of if error function. As I need to combine all the numerical values together, I need not to define any delimiter. So press comma, and I want to ignore all the empty cells. So here I should mention true. Now put a comma. My text is this. Close the text join function and press enter. Here you can see that I am getting 25 back. Right now the format of this value is text. To convert that to a number, just multiply it by 1. Go to the edit mode and put multiply by 1 at the end of the function. Press enter. Now drag the formula to other text strings. Here you can see that Excel is extracting all the numerical values from the text strings, no matter the position of the numerical values. Guys, here I have used dynamic array functions. The dynamic array functions work with Office 365 only. And if you don't have Office 365, then sequence function will not work. So now I will tell you how you can do the same thing prior to Office 365 versions. For that, let me copy the formula and paste it here. Hit F2 to go to the edit mode. Now I need to replace the sequence function with a function which can work with prior versions of Excel. For that, I can use the row function along with the indirect function. So delete the sequence function, write row, indirect. As the first character of the array will always be the 1, so type 1 in the quotes along with the semicolon. Type AND. Now I need to define the ending value of the text string that I can determine by the length function. So put len, the text string. Now close length, close indirect, and close row function. Guys, as this is an array formula, hence you need to press Ctrl Shift Enter instead of just enter. So Ctrl Shift Enter and you are done. Now drag the formula All the numerical values are extracted. Now guys, I will tell you about the limitation of this function. If I have numerical values in the text string at different places, the formula will combine all the numerical values. For example, here I have 320 and 1. In this text string, I have 1 and 60. In this text string, I have 13 and 400. If I copy these formulas to these cells, Excel will merge all the numerical values found in the text string. So guys, you can use this formula only when all the numerical values are only at the one place in the text string, or you want to combine all the numerical values available in the text string. Guys, if we want to extract only non-numerical text from the text string, we can slightly modify the formula and do the job. That I will show you in the next episode. So guys, here I finish my today's episode. I hope you would have liked it and learned something from it. If you would have liked this episode, then please give a thumbs up and subscribe the channel for more such videos. Guys, I always welcome your suggestions. Please leave those in the comment section. I will try to implement. The link of the practice file I will leave in the description section. You guys can download and practice. Guys, if you have any doubts left, then please mention those in the comment section. I will try to resolve. Now guys, I will take a leave. Thank you for watching. Have a great day. Bye bye and see you in the next video.